Suricata is gaining attention as a robust open-source intrusion detection system, IDS, and intrusion prevention system, IPS. But is it really the best option out there? Let's dive into what makes Suricata tick and whether it's worth your time. Suricata is designed to provide real-time intrusion detection, prevention, and network security monitoring. What's impressive is its ability to handle multi-threading, which allows it to process network traffic more efficiently than many of its competitors. It's built to analyze packet data and produce alerts based on predefined rules, which can be customized to fit various security needs. The user experience is fairly straightforward, especially for those familiar with network security tools. The dashboard offers a clear view of alerts and logs, making it easier to identify potential threats. However, if you're new to IDS/IPS systems, the learning curve can be a bit steep. What stands out immediately is Suricata's integration with various tools such as Elastic Stack, which enhances its functionality. Still, there's a noticeable lack of detailed documentation in certain areas, which could leave users scratching their heads at times. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Suricata is completely free and open source, which is a massive draw for budget-conscious users. Its multi-threading capability really boosts performance, especially in high-traffic environments. Plus, the integration with existing tools is a significant advantage. On the downside, the initial setup can be quite complex, and for those without a strong background in network security, it might feel overwhelming. There are also instances where the documentation lacks clarity, which can be frustrating. Additionally, while it's feature-rich, some users might find that it doesn't have as extensive a support network as paid solutions. Suricata might not be the best fit for small businesses or casual users who need a simple plug-and-play solution, but it could be a game-changer for organizations with robust security needs. In conclusion, Suricata is a solid choice for those looking for a powerful open-source IDS/IPS. If you have the technical know-how and need a customizable solution, it's worth considering. However, if you prefer something more user-friendly with extensive support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a trustworthy tool for serious security professionals.